Hello, this is Matthew Sherlin, and this is my function generator, spectrum analyzer, and oscilloscope project for LabView. So up top, the user has their function generator, in which they can switch between DC, sine, square, sawtooth, and triangular waves. The user can also use property nodes to change various properties such as color, line width, and line style. Over here we have our parameters. The user can set frequency and amplitude, as well as use this dial to put a voltage offset. The user can also add either uniform or Gaussian noise to the signal. And they also have an option to save an image of the graph. Down here we have our spectrum analyzer. The user can use this dial to change the frequency scale of the function. We also have options to switch between peak and RMS view, as well as linear and decibel view, and use it as an option to save an image of the spectrum analyzer graph as well. And down here we have our oscilloscope. The user can have a movable cursor around in which they can take specific measurement points, and those will be displayed down here in terms of X and Y corresponding to time and amplitude. We also have various measurements being taken and output for the user. We also can switch between viewing it at different volts per division, as well as various times per division. If in case the user wants to zoom in on it or zoom out for a specific point, we also have an option for the user to set a trigger, as well as change various properties about the graph, as well as save the data to an Excel sheet or to save an image of the file. Thank you.